Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 2. This is Section 2.4, Problem 2. It says multiply the fractions 1/2 times 2/3. So when you multiply fractions, you want to multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, or numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So the top times top, 1 times 2 is 2. The bottom times bottom, 2 times 3 is 6. You get 2/6. And then you want to see if you can reduce that. Are there any numbers that divide into 2 and 6 evenly? And there's 2. So 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now here's a problem where, if you notice, you could do what you call pre-reducing. You could pre-reduce this. So notice 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I could cancel those 2's, and now top times top, 2 times what's left behind when you cancel the 2 is a 1. Really what's going on is 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 2 once. Top times top, 1 times 1 is 1. Bottom times bottom, 1 times 3 is 3. You get the same answer, and either way you're reducing. In this particular problem, it's about the same amount of work either way. But as the numbers involved get bigger and bigger, it becomes more worthwhile to reduce as soon as you can, to pre-reduce, as opposed to reduce after you do the multiplication. But even in those cases, you will still get the same answer either way.